Hello. Category B driving test. Checking the condition of basic vehicle safety components. First, we check that the vehicle is in neutral and has the emergency brake engaged. You must have the key in the car. Press the Start-Stop button twice. This activates all vehicle systems. The engine remains off. First task, checking the reverse gear light. Put the vehicle in reverse. Check the two white reverse lights at the rear of the vehicle. Next task, position lights. We adjust them on the turn signal lever. We check the side lights at the front white and at the rear red. Front side lights. Rear side lights. Remember, during the test, we return the light switch to the auto or off position. The next task will be checking the low beam headlights. Check the low beam headlights only at the front. Next, we will check the high beam headlights. First, turn on the low beam headlights, then push the turn signal lever forward. A blue light will illuminate on the dashboard. Check the front high beams in the same place as the low beams, but they're brighter. The Suzuki Swift doesn't have front fog lights. Turn on the low beams and then turn this ring. The yellow fog light indicator will illuminate. The fog light is located in the center, at the bottom of the bumper. It's red and brighter than the parking light. Check the turn signals. First, the left turn signal. Then the right turn signal. Next, the hazard warning lights. The button with the triangle is located in the center of the dashboard. Check all 6 turn signals. Brake light. You'll need the help of another person. The examiner will likely apply the brake, and you'll check the brake lights. At the rear, there are 2 in the combination lamps and 1 at the top, in the middle of the car. Red, and they're noticeably brighter than the parking lights. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Lauto Driving School.